Icheatsvip Roblox free Robux scam or not? Icheatsvip Roblox free Robux scam or not? If you've been hunting for free Robux, Icheatsvip might have caught your eye, promising quick and free in-game currency. But is it legit, or just a trap? Most people get this wrong by thinking all websites offering free Robux are safe. The surprising truth is that sites like Icheatsvip are almost always scams. Roblox has strict rules against third-party generators, and legitimate free Robux offers only come from Roblox promotions, gift cards, or official events. You won't believe what happens next. Using these scam sites can compromise your account, steal personal information, or even install malware on your device. Many users report losing account access or having unauthorized transactions after attempting to claim free Robux from such sources. The safest way to get Robux is through official Roblox channels, such as purchasing with real money or earning through Roblox affiliate programs or game creation. Avoid entering your login credentials on any third-party website promising free currency. In conclusion, Icheatsvip is not a legitimate source for free Robux and should be avoided. Protect your account by sticking to official Roblox methods for earning or buying Robux. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.